Hi guys, I wanted to do a very short tutorial video on Adobe Premiere Pro. This is going to be how to speed up, slow down, and reverse video. So you're going to click on your video link here, right click, and then you're going to go to speed duration and check mark this box if you want to reverse it and make it play backwards. And here is the speed. Want it to go faster or slower, you adjust this speed knob here, and then you say okay. I'm just going to cancel, and then you'll go and play it here to watch what you did. And that's the way you speed up and slow down and reverse videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright guys, subscribe, hit that like button, and thanks for watching.